Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best drywall repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. Whether you're hanging a picture, mounting a TV, or just fixing a hole, the right kit can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drywall repair, exploring what makes a kit stand out, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. WETNFIX, 20 discs, fixing wall plugs fast. Do you have loose wall plugs? This product is specifically created to solve this common problem. It is ideal for fixing wall plugs in weak masonry or oversized holes. This is fast and easy to use. It sets in just 3 minutes. You can quickly secure your fittings with this product. It is ideal for fittings such as curtain rails, shelves, toilet roll holders, towel rails, and hooks. This product can be used for various applications. This product is suitable for most materials, including masonry, wood, ceramics, and plasterboard. It is versatile and can be used in various settings. If you have a wall in your home or office, you need this in your toolbox. It's the perfect solution for your wall plug problems. What we like. This product is designed to quickly and easily fix loose wall plugs. It's perfect for anyone who has items like curtain rails or shelves that have become wobbly. If you're tired of dealing with those frustrating loose fittings, this is the solution you need. What people say. The anchors are easy to install and hold very well. The kit comes with everything you need. The anchors are very strong. Number 4. BONCART Drywall Repair Kit. Introducing the BONCART Drywall Repair Kit. This kit makes fixing damaged walls easy and fast. It's the perfect solution for a flawless finish. The kit includes 2 wall mending agents, nozzle extenders, scrapers, and sandpaper. This provides everything needed for a complete repair. It's designed to meet all your repair needs. Simply squeeze out the agent and smooth it with the spatula. This kit is designed for ease of use, making wall repair a breeze. It's reusable for various repair needs. This upgraded kit is formaldehyde-free, highly resistant, and waterproof. The repair is virtually invisible, giving professional-looking results. It ensures safety and durability. The BONCART kit handles drywall cracks, stains, nail holes, and more. It restores your walls to a new look. Let it solve all your wall problems. We offer fast pre-sale and after-sale support. Contact us anytime with questions about the product. We are here to help you. What we like. This kit offers a fast and simple way to mend damaged walls. It's designed to be safe and waterproof, ensuring a professional finish. If you have any wall damage, such as cracks or stains, this kit will give you a new look. What people say. The wall mending agent goes on smoothly, dries fast, and blends perfectly with the paint once sanded. The included scraper makes application super easy, no mess, no hassle, and no need for professional help. The paste has just the right amount of stickiness to stay in place without dripping, and it dries smoothly for small to medium wall dings. Number 3. Drywall Repair Kit with Scraper. This wall mending agent kit is made with safe ingredients, making it suitable for homes with children, elderly, and pets. It's waterproof and formaldehyde-free, ensuring a safe and effective solution for your home improvement needs. The wall repair paste dries quickly, usually within 4 hours, providing a fast solution for damaged walls. It offers strong adhesion, crack resistance, and water resistance, leaving the wall smooth and protected. Remember to wear gloves when applying this product. Fix wall damage and cracks with simple steps. Just squeeze and scrape to repair holes and cracks. Use the included scrapers and sandpaper for a smooth finish, making the repair marks nearly invisible. The kit can also be reused after opening without shrinking or cracking. This kit is perfect for repairing cracks, nail holes, peeling walls, graffiti, and stains. It's ideal for homes, schools, and offices, making it a great solution for small repair projects. The kit includes wall repair paste, scrapers, nozzle extenders, sandpaper, and wall repair patches. If you have any issues, contact us for help, and we will assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This kit is made with safe ingredients and provides a durable, long-lasting repair. It dries quickly and is easy to apply, making it ideal for small projects. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to fix cracks and holes, it's a great choice. What people say. This kit contains almost all the tools and materials I need, 2 different sizes of squeegees, nozzle extensions, sandpaper, and drywall patches, among others. The wall patch has a great texture that makes it easy to fill holes and cracks in the walls of your home. The results of the repair were outstanding. The surface of the wall after patching is flat and smooth and blends perfectly with the surrounding walls, making the patching barely noticeable. Number 2. SEISSO Drywall Repair Kit, 2-pack. Tired of looking at those unsightly holes and scratches? This kit is your secret weapon for a flawless finish. It's designed to make wall repair simple and effective. Made with environmentally friendly materials, this repair agent is safe for your home. It's a white, delicate, and moisture-proof solution that's perfect for any wall. With its strong adhesion, this product provides professional-looking results. Just apply it, scrape it, and watch the damage disappear. It dries quickly, making the repair process fast and easy. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect repair. It comes with the paste, scrapers, sandpaper, and nozzle extenders. Everything is included to make the repair process easy. We're so confident you'll love this product that we offer a full refund if you're not satisfied. If you have any issues, our customer service is here to help. What we like. This kit is designed to restore your walls, repairing holes, chips, and scratches. It's environmentally friendly and provides a professional finish. If you want to fix any damage on your walls, it's the perfect choice. What people say. I squeezed this into the hole, had to do that twice because the hole sucked a lot of it in, and left it to dry for a few days then sanded it. Looks good, nice and easy fix. It squeezed out easily through the applicator included, it was thick enough to stay where it was applied, and smoothed out seamlessly with the scraper. I painted right over it and it looks fantastic. The products worked great and my walls are A+. Number 1. Mortice and Tenon Nylon 66 Drywall Anchors Kit. Tired of anchors that fail under pressure? These anchors are made with advanced Nylon 66 material, making them 30% stronger than other top brands. It's the professional's choice for securing heavy items. Confidently hang what others can't with these anchors. Each one can support up to 90 pounds in standard drywall. You can securely mount heavy items without worrying about them falling. Forget the toolbox and the mess. The self-drilling tip bites into sheetrock instantly with just a screwdriver. You'll get a rock-solid grip in under a minute. Nylon 66 is a high-performance material known for its durability and heat resistance. This means these anchors drive in smoother, grip tighter, and last longer than the alternatives. You're holding the last drywall anchor kit you'll ever need. The manufacturer is so confident in the product that they back every kit with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try it and see the difference. What we like. This product offers a stronger and more reliable hold compared to standard anchors. Installation is easy, and the durable material ensures longevity. If you are looking to hang heavy items securely, this is the one you should consider. What people say. Very easy to twist the anchor and just overall very easy and holds a lot of weight. Worked very well. Very easy to use compared to the other type of anchors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.